Guess what I'm doing today? I'm riding my bike this evening with my friend and another new friend, which is following me behind, which is great! Hi wrote to me, he texted me saying, I'm going on a ride with a friend, would you like to join us? And I was like, you know, it's late and I don't really like to ride late. The end of summer is very close and I won't have a lot of nice evenings soon. So I said, why not? Once I'm on the bike, I'm excited. But to get out of the house at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, I have a little difficulty doing that because I've got all the day in me. So I rarely go out at 5. Rarely. And I have difficulty driving at night. I don't like it. We were supposed to leave at 5:30, but because of traffic, I wasn't able to go faster. So that gives me half an hour less just because I'm stuck in traffic. Oh my God, we'll never go through. There's so much no, hi. Nope. Nope. Oof. The wind is not that warm, but the sun is very warm. So when we're like riding, I'm very comfortable because I put a little sweater underneath. But when we're stopped, I'm boiling. So, but when I don't think I would be able to ride without the little vest that I have underneath. It would be too cold, too frisky. Let's see the difference. This is shrimp.
Shrimp.
And it's papaya salad.
Papaya salad with
and this beef jerky.
Beef jerky, yeah.
Okay, and I got the shrimp too. So let's see what it tastes.
Beef jerky is like the greatest food on earth.
I have to open this,
so
right?
It's really immature papaya, young papaya, so they're green instead of yellow.
Oh yeah.
Ripe papaya would be yellow and sweet. Basically, it's coleslaw made out of papaya.
Okay. Did you pour it all?
I poured it all. Yeah, I kind of opened it up a bit with my chopsticks.
Okay.
Poured it all over.
So, I think the papaya is this, not this.
No.
They're all
These are the papaya. The yellow thing, those are...
What is it?
Oops.
Yeah, that's papaya, right?
No.
What is it?
It's a
Bingo.
papaya to me is pink.
Well, there's also
Yeah,
cucumber
it's like pinkish, yeah.
and mint. You can taste the mint.
It's good. You can taste the mint. Yeah. Mint. The only thing I don't like, but that's because it's me. It's this. I don't know the name in
Parsley?
French. It's not parsley. It's
Cilantro. Coriander.
Yeah, exactly.
I love that.
You want my piece?
So people who think it tastes like soap, cilantro,
Okay.
that's actually a genetic
Thing?
thing. They don't like cilantro and they think it tastes like soap.
Okay.
It's actually...
All right, hi. What do you think about the salad?
Well, what we had today was papaya salad.
Yep.
Mine was with beef jerky, and yours is.
Mine was with shrimp.
And it's really refreshing. I love the mint in there.
The mango.
There's some mango in there.
Yeah.
There's a little cucumber, but the bulk of it is papaya. So almost like a coleslaw, but made with green papaya as opposed to be cabbage.
Yeah, it was good. I liked it. Very refreshing. I just didn't like the cilantro in it because I don't like cilantro.
Yeah, yeah. I love the cilantro. I love the beef jerky. I love the green papaya.
That's where it came from. It filmed the source.
Yeah. Fei Fang, people. Fei Fang restaurant.
You will edit that part out.
And for me, it's a meal. I don't need to eat anything else other than ice cream. Ice cream is a must after every meal.
Yeah. Too. I'm sorry. You should have seen your face. You almost got told. What are you doing? I'm talking.
Yeah.
You're talking about food, and it came from there.
I wish I had the other camera on you.
Yeah, that'd be funny.
That would be funny.
That'd be funny, yeah.
Very funny. Good job, cameraman.
Yeah.
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. Good.
We just finished our salad and now we're going to the ice cream place to get some ice creams. I forgot my glasses. I usually change for my glasses when I ride later in the evening, only because this tinted shield, I didn't find my clear one, but I should find it and leave it in my saddlebags, because now I just realized I forgot my glasses, so I'll have to go home without the shield. Ooh, that's a nice view of the Parliament. Vanilla, chocolate, pistachio, raspberry, and lemon. I liked lemon.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I did like it.
It's very hard to find one that are really good, that are less creamy.
Okay.
At the beach corner, if you ask for the vegan version, so a lot less creamy. Vegan, right?
Yeah.
No milk.
I don't.
Or coconut base.
Okay. I am not a coconut.
You're not a
Can you
coconut.
tell?
Yeah.
I can't. It's made where?
It's made in the shop. Their shop.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's made here.
Yeah. So it's like homemade kind of thing. So. Okay. Homemade pistachio.
Take your cone. Take your cone so we can.
So
We can eat.
I'm monopolizing
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
the staff.
Yeah. You are. I have lemon in a bowl, 1 scoop, please.
So we had ice cream, which was very good. And we laughed a lot because with Hai, you always laugh because he's a funny person and he's got so many stories that you would be like, what the heck, Hai? How do you get into those situations? I'm going to concentrate on driving right now because I need all my concentration. So that will be it for me tonight. Thank you for joining me on my evening ride. Enjoy the ride, but ride safely. Bye-bye. Oh my God, he flashed me in the eyes.